this dog hit this leg. I don't know if he hit me from the side or the back.
Random dog or?
Random fucking dog. And this leg went, I can't do the movement, went behind this leg, and I went down, and my hip took all of it, and then some residual, and hit my head, I hit my hip, I hit my shoulder, but the pain is actually not here, it's right here.
Okay.
And it's going kind of across my back, but I think I'm compensating pretty heavily.
A lot of times, like, so if you hit when it goes forward, it pulls on this inguinal ligament.
That hurts.
And so it'll hurt right there, but it also, with that
Yeah,
same
my
type of
butt.
pain, goes down your leg, and then it can, when your hip goes forward, your sacrum goes backwards, and it can hurt cross right there. So if we can move that hip.
Oh, okay.
This one's backwards, so yeah.
Oh.
Good. Lean back all the way.
Oh.
All the way back.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh. That felt good.
Good. Lift up. Good.
We'll fix your keyboard hands.